Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see archived tasks in ClickUp quickly and easily. Whether you're managing multiple projects, trying to review completed work, or you simply need to find an old task for reference, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and head over to the ClickUp website. ClickUp is a powerful all-in-one productivity platform designed to help you manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate with your team efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Login button. If you use Google, you can choose the Sign In with Google option to save time and log in faster. Select the correct Google account, and you'll be taken straight into your ClickUp workspace. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace or space where your tasks are stored. Now, look for the search bar, which is usually easy to spot at the top of the ClickUp interface. Click on the search bar to activate it. This is where we'll begin locating archived tasks. Next, click on the filter icon inside the search panel. Filters are extremely helpful in ClickUp because they allow you to narrow down results and focus on exactly what you're looking for. From the list of available filters, look for the option labeled Archived and select it. This step is very important, so make sure the archived filter is enabled properly. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Ensure you're searching across the correct space or list, clear any unnecessary filters that might hide results, and double-check that the archive filter is turned on. Doing this helps avoid confusion and ensures you see all archived tasks clearly. Once the archive filter is applied, ClickUp will instantly display all tasks that have been archived. From here, you can open any task to review details, check comments, or retrieve important information from past projects. This is especially useful for audits, reports, or simply revisiting completed work. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to view archived tasks in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?